Okay, well it just so happens that Micah wants to make a video, so shoot, Micah.
Well, see, we have to go move, and first of all, we're gonna live in here. Now it's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn?
Mhm.
I don't really know what to say. My hair's in a ponytail. I just ate peanut butter sandwich, peanut butter toast, Reese's peanut butter cups, and baked lays.
So they can watch this movie.
Shh, they can't hear me. Yes. And I'm supposed to be doing my homework, which I should probably do right now. So I'm gonna turn the camera over to Lauren.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys.
Hey, there's my root beer. Oh yeah.
Give me the camera so I can put it at the computer.
Fine. Why?
Because I want you to have this video forever.
Look at my room. Ew. Okay. Well, I guess we're gonna watch iCarly then. Oh. Wow. That's spinning.
What?
Nice, Spencer.
That's the dance he made when he was 10. There's more videos that I want you to watch.
Lauren. Ugh. Okay, that's all, folks. So how are you?
Good. Hey, Courtney, turn off the camera. I'm chewing my hair.
Well, don't. Ew, that's gross.
It tastes good. How about you try it?
I'm good. So, Micah, what do you want to do?
I want to move these. I want to stay here until we move.
Let's just stay here forever. How about that?
No, I need to move.
Okay. Well, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you say?